We are here at the FIDIC 2015 International Contract Users Conference, kindly joined by one of our valued speakers, Peter Collie of Free Paper Buildings Barristers Chambers. Peter is a very esteemed barrister, and we do have him covering some topics at this year's conference, namely dispute boards, which again, I think you would agree, Peter, is a very big issue in the whole arena of construction law and FIDIC contracts.
Yeah, very, very much. I mean, I think the thing these days is people are beginning to appreciate dispute boards and what they can do for the parties to actually help manage contracts and projects. And so we're beginning to see people see dispute boards in their true worth, which is as a proactive management tool.
Okay. In terms of how it fits in the plethora of dispute resolution, what are your thoughts on that?
Well, I think it's a very important first step, and if used properly, it can be used to avoid disputes, because what you can do with a dispute board is take issues to the dispute board before the parties are really at loggerheads, and get the dispute board's opinions and views early on, and that will help the parties work through their problems and resolve them for themselves.
Excellent, excellent. So it certainly seems like a very worthwhile endeavour in terms of resolving disputes or ensuring they don't arise in any significant way.
Yes, very much. And I think from the FIDIC point of view, it's a first step into disputes if things are going to move into disputes, because the dispute board will allow the parties to crystallise their dispute and set out what the issues are, and then if they can't resolve it from the dispute board or by agreement following the dispute board, they have the basis to take something to arbitration.
Okay, excellent. And in terms of just FIDIC conferences in general, I know you've been coming for many years now. What kind of value do you find in your involvement in the FIDIC conferences?
I think it's always very useful to see what the users are thinking about out there, and to get feedback from the users and find out what best practices at any one point in time is always very useful. Things are always moving forward, and best practice this year will be different next year, so we need to keep up to date with what's going on.
Excellent. Thank you, Peter.